Hey there, avocado aficionados! Get ready to discover the incredible health benefits packed into this creamy green fruit. Welcome to today's video on avocado, vision, digestion, and health benefits. Avocados have been making waves in the health world, and it's time to uncover why they're more than just a tasty addition to your meal. Stick around to learn why avocados should be a staple in your diet. Before we dive in, let's address a common misconception: avocados' high-fat content. While they do contain fats, they're the healthy kind, loaded with monounsaturated fats that are beneficial for our bodies. Let's start with vision benefits. Did you know that avocados are a boon for eye health? They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants crucial for shielding our eyes from age-related macular degeneration. But that's not all. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. Just one serving, about 1/3 of a medium avocado, contains healthy fats. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fiber. Avocados are an excellent source of fiber, promoting digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and aiding in the prevention of constipation. Potassium. They're also rich in potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance in the body and supports muscle function, including the muscles involved in digestion. Vitamins and minerals. Avocados are loaded with vitamins C, E, K, and B vitamins, as well as minerals like magnesium and manganese, all of which support overall health and well-being. Here's the kicker. Avocados aren't just delicious, they're incredibly nutritious. They can help improve digestion by promoting gut health, preventing constipation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Avocados contain soluble and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps it pass through the digestive tract more easily. Additionally, the healthy fats in avocados help lubricate the intestines, further aiding in digestion. In summary, avocados offer a myriad of health benefits, from supporting vision and digestion to protecting against various diseases. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some avocados and start reaping the incredible rewards they have to offer. I encourage you to start incorporating avocados into your meals and experience the remarkable health benefits firsthand. Share your favorite avocado recipes in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to elevate our meals with this extraordinary fruit. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.